So what is constructor? There's a special type of method which is provided by the Java to initialize any class object. Double underline the initialize to any class object. Okay, if you want to create the multiple object of home class, like here I've used the home class. Okay, you can repeatedly call this home constructor. For that we will talk it later in multiple constructor. Okay, now if we talk about the syntax, its name is the same as the clear class name. Okay, if we don't do this, then Java will give you an error. Okay, now if we talk about the unique behavior, its unique behavior is if you do not provide constructor to the class, the Java by default will provide you a default constructor, okay, which is a no parameterized constructor. Hence, we can create the object of the class by creating the non-parameterized constructor. Then if you call the constructor, Java will call the default value, like for int it is 0 and for string it is null. Okay, so next is if you provide even a single constructor in your class which is having at least one argument, one parameter, then your default implementation which it will not call your default parameterized constructor. Okay, and then it will call your constructor which you have declared with your parameter. Okay, like here if you look at the program here, I have created a program which is called home and created a constructor with the home. It doesn't have any return type. Okay, so it I have declared three variable: house, name, age, and we are at, if we look at the 17th line, here we are creating an object. Okay, initializing and class object, and here in this tag we are assigning the value, all three value. 24 for house number, Google name for name, which name, and age is 30. Okay, now if you run this program, it will give you your address. Okay, run as Java application. Okay, see, it will give you your full address. That is called a constructor. Thank you.